Hey, it's Heather. I am about to jar up my latest batch of homemade cereal. If you'd like to know how I make this, stick around. And if you're wondering what homemade cereal is, it's the way I do it is basically a very loose granola. So lots of nuts and oats. And I try to use as little sugars and fat as possible. So if you're looking for a tasty filling homemade cereal, this might be the one for you. So let's start from the beginning. Just to expedite the process a little bit, I've already measured out my oats. I put 3 cups of rolled oats and 1 cup of steel cut oats. And then I have 2 cups of nuts, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, chia seed, hemp hearts, walnuts, pecans. I think that's it. I've warmed up some honey on the stove, and it's a half a cup of honey, and then I'm going to put a couple tablespoons. I'm using avocado oil today, but you could do coconut oil, tallow, whatever kind of oil you have that you want to use. And I'm going to also put some vanilla in there, a tablespoon or 2, because I like a lot. So I just want to mix all that together. I'm going to put a little bit of salt in here with my oats. So this is just oats and salt. And I'm going to also put a little bit of cinnamon. Then I'll add my nut mixture, 2 cups of nuts, whatever kind of nuts you want. You could put almonds in it. This is just what I chose. And then I'm going to put the honey mixture, just honey, vanilla, and oil. And then we're going to mix this really, really good, so everything's coated. You can see that's all coated really good. I'm going to put this on the pan and cut my oven on. Okay, I'm going to bake this at 300 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes. I'll check on it every 10 minutes, stir it every 10 minutes, and decide when I want to take it out. And I am going to add raisins to this. I'm going to add mine 5 or 10 minutes before I take it out of the oven because I like mine a little bit cooked. You could just add them at the end after you take it out of the oven. And you could bake this on cookie sheets. I like to do it in a pan like this, so when I'm stirring it around, I don't have to worry about it falling off the cookie sheet. I don't have to be super careful. Okay, and we're going to come back every 10 minutes for 20 to 30 minutes, give it a stir, and then that'll be that. I'm going to clean these dishes up while I wait for my first 10 minutes. This is our second stir, and this time I'm going to stir in raisins. You could put anything in, cranberries, whatever kind of dried fruit that you like. I like raisins, and I like a lot of raisins. Okay, this is our third time taking it out. It's been in the oven about 30 minutes. It's got a little brown around the edges, but I'm going to let this go a little longer. I'll probably check it like every 5 minutes now and see, just to keep a close eye on it. I just want it to get a little browner for me. This is brown enough for me. I cooked it at 300 for 30 minutes, stirring every 10 minutes, and then 10 minutes at 350, stirring every 5 minutes. It's all cooled and jarred up. I'll give it a little shake each time before I pour myself a bowl, because some of the smaller things like chia seed and hemp seed tend to fall to the bottom. I hope this inspired you to make something for yourself. If it's not cereal, then something else that you could do for yourself at home. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please consider subscribing. It doesn't cost you anything and it helps us out. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.